Our industry, the leather industry, dito sa Bulacan, started way back 100 years ago. And this was introduced to my great-great-great-grandfather by a Chinese. So, ang ginawa lang nila noon ay ang bark of the trees of Kamachili. Ang balat ay nanggagaling sa mga hayop, katulad ng baka, kalabaw, kambing. Nung bata kami, walang sinasabi magulang namin kung ano gagawin namin. Pero siguro dahil sa namulat ka sa kapaligiran ng ganitong hanap buhay, minahal mo na rin siya. Itong hanap buhay nito kasi you need to have the passion for it. Kailangan maging artistic ka, creative ka, at the same time, meron kang sistema sa trabaho. And these qualifications, you need extra effort para maging successful. That's how we came to set up our leather industry, not a servicing anymore, but a manufacturing company. I like what I'm doing, and that's why I'm still here. It's the challenge of every day. But once you're able to correct or achieve what you want, fulfillment na yan. Fulfillment in a way, kasama mo yung mga tauhan mo eh. Nagtutulungan kayo. Sa buhay ng tao, what's more important is you see people around you happy also. Lalo na mga tauhan mo rin siya. Satisfied din sila. Happy na rin akong makita sila na maligaya sila. My hopes and dreams is sana yung mga next generation will have the passion and will still cling on this kind of industry. I'm proud to be from May Kawayan, and we started the leather industry. It may not be as big as in other countries, but miski pa paano, we're still here at makatulong kami sa aming community, the social responsibilities that we could offer also.